Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2019 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: caramel black Napa leather sport seat, LJ, included, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, leather trim seats, plus package included, black edge premium floor mats, 4 grams LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, HD radio, Rumby 2 PC wheel, center cap, heated steering wheel, 6 premium Alpine speakers, bright pedals, power tilt, telescope steering column, heated front seats, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches granite crystal aluminum front, fog lamps, 1-year Sirius XM Guardian trial radio, Uconnect 4C with 8.4 display, anti-lock 4-wheel disc, performance rig, shark fin antenna, 3.07 rear axle ratio. For details visit driveuconnect.com. 276 watt amplifier, Sirius XM satellite radio. For more info call 800-643